Okay, that's my 2006 out there, and this is the 73. The paint is Sonic Blue. That's going to be off the, I think it was the Ford, what was it, the pickup truck that I saw originally with that color. Front trim, had to purchase some of those pieces and clips, still in pretty good condition. Have Cragar SS rims, very nice. Tri-spoke center caps. And this is a weekend / daily driver. I mean, the weather's great right now, so we'll be driving it more frequently. Replacement bumper, still got to get the right chrome bumper bolts. Have a Flowmaster exhaust with a nice pipe right there. Like I said, mirrors from Autozone. Went ahead and took out my antenna because I don't listen to radio anyway. Trying to give the car a little more streamlined look. And eventually, I'll try to replace the windshield. It's already turning, quite yellow, as you can see. And there you have it. That's going to be the exterior of the car.